Hi students, my name is Radhika. Today I share about general knowledge with you. General knowledge is an important component of crystallized intelligence and is strongly associated with general intelligence and with openness to experience. It is something that really helps us to grow both on personal as well as academic level. How to improve general knowledge in our life? There are 5 ways to improve general knowledge in our life. First one is watch TV news. Second one is read newspapers and magazines. Third one is go to general knowledge websites through phone. Fourth one is read general knowledge books. Fifth one is participate in quiz contest. And last one is read books in library. This is our general knowledge book. Our GK book has many topics. First one is idioms. Second one is aquatic plants. Third one is world cities. Fourth one is Indian newspapers. Fifth one is human ailments. Sixth one is Asian games. And last one is Olympic games. In general knowledge book, first topic is idioms. Use the help box to write the correct meaning of the idioms. Answer box is given. See the box. Something that will never happen. Solve 2 problems with 1 action. Not feel well. An event that happens very rarely. Something very easy. To do something quickly and without care. Agree with someone. Very expensive. Make a situation worse. Good luck. So these are answers. So first read the question and write the correct answer. Okay students. First one is see eye to eye. That meaning is agree with someone. Second one is once in a blue moon. There is no blue moon. So answer is an event that happens very rarely. Third one, when pigs fly. Pig. Pig flies? No. When pigs fly. Something that will never happen. Answer is something that will never happen. To cast an arm and a leg. The answer is very expensive. Next, a piece of cake. Something that is very easy. A piece of cake. The answer is something that is very easy. To kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Answer is solve 2 problems with 1 action. Break a leg. Good luck. The answer is good luck. To cut corners. To do something quickly and without care. To cut corners means to do something quickly and without care. Next, 9th one, to feel under the weather. The answer is not feel well. Next, 10th one, to add insult to injury. To make a situation worse. The answer is to make a situation worse. So, the first topic is idioms. Read the question answer. Okay students, have you got it? Second one topic is aquatic plants. Match the description of each aquatic plant with its name and picture. Write the correct name in the blank. The first is done for you. Okay, so pictures are given: water poppy, lizard's tail, water lily, duckweed, and last cattail, pygmy, water lily, water lettuce. These are answers. Answers given. Okay. So first question. the floating plant provides food and shelter for fish? So answer is duckweed. Duckweed plants give food and shelter for fish. Second one, this plant with three petaled yellow poppy like flowers is often grown in pond and aquariums. So answer is water poppy. Three petal flower, yellow color, poppy like flowers. Which flower has three petal yellow poppy like flowers? The answer is water poppy. Next, third one, this wetland plant with unique flowering spikes that look like sausage on sticks is found mostly at the edge of pond. Answer is cattail. Cattail. Next, the small white flowers of this plant grow in a long drooping spike that looks like a tail. Lizard's tail. See the picture? Lizard's tail. Lizard's tail like the plants like lizard's tail. So the wetland plant with the unique flowering spikes that look like sausages on stick is mostly found at the end of the pond, cattail. The small white flowers of this plant grow in a long drooping spike. Long drooping spike nale answer is lizard's tail. Next, this plant are also known as water nymph, has pretty flowers and round leaves that float on the water surface. Very easy answer, water lily. Water nymph has pretty flowers. Next, also known as water cabbage, the leaves of the plant has no stems and form rosette. The answer is water lettuce. Water lettuce. And next one, this plant is a smaller or dwarf version of the water lily. Dwarf version. That means small plant. This plant is a smaller or dwarf. Dwarf means small. Dwarf version of the water lily. Answer is pygmy water lily. Okay, read the topic and if you have any doubt, ask me. Third one topic is world cities. This holy city in the state of Uttar Pradesh in northern India is situated at the confluence of the Ganga and Yamuna rivers. The answer is Prayagraj. Second one, this city in the state of West Bengal in India is located on the banks of the river Hooghly and it is also called a city of joy. Which city is called the city of joy? Kolkata. Next, third one, the river Smita is in Japan flows through this city, previously called Edo. It is the world's most popular metropolis. The answer is Tokyo. Okay, next move on. Fourth one is this city in the state of Kashmir in northern India lies on the banks of the Jhelum river. Answer is Srinagar. Next, fifth one, this city is the capital of Australia. The river Danube flows through it. Answer is Vienna. This city is the capital of Austria. The river Danube flows through it. Vienna. Next, sixth one. Situated on the banks of river Thames, the city in the United Kingdom has one of the world's busiest airports. Answer is London. Next, fourth topic is Indian newspapers. First one, who published the first newspaper in India? Answer is James Augustus Hickey. Second one, which English language daily newspaper is owned by the Times Group? The answer is the Times of India. Next, third one, which is the oldest existing newspaper in India? Mumbai Samachar. Which is the oldest existing newspaper in India? Mumbai Samachar. Next, till date, which is the Indian newspaper with the largest circulation? Dainik Jagran. Dainik Jagran is the Hindu newspaper, not Hindu, Hindi newspaper. Listen, till date, which is the Indian newspaper with the largest circulation? Answer is Dainik Jagran. Dainik Jagran is a Hindi newspaper. Next, which English newspaper in India was first published in the year 1875? The Statesman. Next, which newspaper started in 1780 was the first Indian newspaper? Hickey's Bengal Gazette. The answer is Hickey's Bengal Gazette. Next one, which is the largest news agency in India? Press Trust of India, in short form PTI. PTI means Press Trust of India. Next, fifth topic is human ailments. Listen, choose the correct answer. Help box is given. First one is this viral disease that causes inflammation of the liver. Currently, there is no vaccine for this disease, although efforts to create one are on. The answer is hepatitis C. Viral disease that causes inflammation of the liver, but there is no vaccine for this disease. The answer is hepatitis. Next, this gland. Second one, this gland secretes insulin that controls blood sugar levels. A deficiency of insulin can result in diabetes. The answer is pancreas. The gland name is pancreas. Next one, third one, the deficiency of this nutrient makes bones soft and porous. Vitamin D. Next, this is a dense cloudy area formed in the lens of the eye that leads to a decrease in vision, cataract. Next, this infectious disease begins as a red rash on the face and neck. It is caused by a virus. The answer is measles. Next, sixth one, this viral disease is spread by mosquitoes. The answer is dengue. This viral disease is spread by mosquitoes. The answer is dengue. Next topic is sixth one, Asian Games. Choose the correct answer. First one, which is Asian Games. Choose the correct answer. First one is, what is another name of the Asian Games? Asian. The answer is Asian. Second one, where were the 2018 Asian Games held? The answer is Jakarta and Palembang, Indonesia. Where were the 2018 Asian Games held? Jakarta. The answer is Jakarta and Palembang, Indonesia. Next, third one, which countries take part in this multi-sport event? Answer is Asian countries. Next, in which sport did India win a gold medal at the 2014 Asian Games? Answer is hockey. Next, fifth one, at what yearly interval are the Asian Games held? Every 4 years. At what early interval are the Asian Games held? Every 4 years. Next, Olympic Games. Take the correct answer. In which country were the 2018 Olympic Games held? Pyeongchang, South Korea. In which country were the 2018 Olympics held? Pyeongchang, South Korea. Next, till the year 2018, which country won the most Olympic medals at the Winter Olympics? Answer is Norway. How many gold medals has India won till date? 9. Which Indian sports person won a silver medal at the 2016 Olympics? PV Sindhu. Which Indian sports person won a silver medal at the 2016 Olympics? PV Sindhu. Next, fifth one. Where will the 2020 Olympics be held? Tokyo, Japan. Thank you.